Welcome to another episode of Autism Takes On. Hello and welcome to another episode of Autism Takes On. And today we're going to make a worm farm. Here's some worms which were supposed to be bait. As you can see it says live bait. But these are red wigglers and they're great for gardens, so we're going to use them for our garden. Here we have 2 5-gallon buckets with a lid, a drill, and 2 drill bits, 1/8 and a 3/16. We're going to drill with the 1/8 drill bit here, 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 and here, with the same on the bottom. The reason we put holes on the top is for air for the worms. The reason for the holes on the bottom is for liquid fertilizer, aka worm pee. Now we're going to drill the side with a 3/16 drill bit for aeration. Here's the last row. And it goes together like this. Now we're going to prepare the bucket for the worms. Now we're going to put mulch on the bottom and go to the next step. Now we're going to put some shredded paper and cardboard in the bucket to feed the worms. Wormy, wormy. Now we're going to put our red wigglers in. We're going to dump some soil on them just to get things started. Timber! Now all you have to do is feed them kitchen scraps. And that's how you make a simple worm bin. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a nice day.